Kardom and welcome to Northeast Karbi Live. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have Anjali Hasamsa, who have recently won the title of Spark Miss Teen India 2023, which was held in Goa. Anjali, we feel so blessed, honored and privileged to see you here with us. So Anjali, can you please share us your experience that you had in participating in this pageant?
Firstly, I would love to thank the entire team of Karbi Live. And about my experience, it was really nice. I met a lot of new friends and I also learned so many new things. Yeah, thank you.
Alright, so since you have won this title, you must have received a lot of love, not only from Karbi Anglong, from India, because you have won the title of Miss Teen India from Spark. So can you please share us how did you feel when you get so much of love?
I feel so blessed and so overwhelmed when everybody was just congratulating me, and all the support and love. I'm really blessed and really thankful to each and every individual. Thank you.
Anjali, can you please tell us about yourself?
Myself, I'm Anjali Hasamsa and I'm the only child of Furkacharan P and Ratu Hasamsa, and I'm currently studying in 10th standard at Elective Flower School, and I'm really passionate about modeling and pageantry. Thank you.
Okay, so Anjali, since you have cracked the national level, I believe and I'm pretty sure that you must have participated in different platforms as well. So can you please tell us that is this the first time you winning this title, or have you won several?
Even before, I participated in several pageants. My first pageant was Miss Kid Karbi Anglong. I was the winner, and then Miss Kid Assam, runner-up 2021, and Miss Teen Northeast India 2021, and Miss Teen Northeast Fashion Star Icon 2023, and now this.
Wow, that's really nice. Oh well, Anjali, who have inspired you in this journey?
It's inspiration. The person who inspired me a lot is Harnaskor Sandhu. She is really confident, and she is she's so brilliant. I just love her. She inspired me a lot, and also there are many people who inspire me. Yeah.
Okay, so your parents are really supportive, right? Yeah. So in this journey, you must need a lot of support from your parents, from your friends. So can you please tell us that how does this journey begin? What are the difficulties and problems that you have faced, and how did you overcome it?
My journey began in 2020 when I was just 13-year-old. I really don't know anything about beauty pageants. One of my friends was talking about a beauty pageant, and I came back home. I was in tuition and I came back home, and my uncle was talking about the pageant Miss Kid Karbi Anglong that was held first time in Karbi Anglong. That was Miss Kid Karbi Anglong, and he suggested me to perform, and I did perform, and then that was the time when I began my journey. And then when I won for the first time, I started believing in myself more, and I thought of improving myself more, and I started participating in anything the opportunity I get. I thought of not losing the opportunity.
That's great. Anjali, since you have participated, you need to have a lot of training, right?
Yeah.
Means in the way how you behave, your personality development,
yes,
your walk, talking, a lot of things. So can you please tell us how much do you practice and all?
Practicing and all. I love practicing from the YouTube videos, and I love watching motivational videos of the Miss World, Miss India, and all those things really inspire me and really motivates me.
Okay. So Anjali, what are your future plans regarding the field of modeling and pageantry?
My future plan is, as I have now won the national level, I wanted to also perform in international level, and I want to make my parents proud, and I also want to make India proud.
Okay,
yes,
that's fantastic. Well, Anjali, since you are still a student, you're a teenager, and you're right now in your 10th standard.
Yes.
So how did you manage all these things like modeling, pageantry, studies, or academics and all? How did you manage it?
Okay, so I participated when I was in class 7, and that time COVID-19 was going on, so there was no school at the time. So and then after winning Miss Teen Northeast India, I was promoted to class 9, and I haven't performed in any pageant in that year. I thought of studying, and after this I am promoted to class 10, and it was summer vacation, and many news came pageants are gonna be held in Goa, and I thought of participating there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Anjali, as you have told me, what are the best memories in participating in pageant. Like, what have you learned from this field, and what do you want to carry and spread to the people?
So the memories is like whenever I perform in pageants, I learn like many new things, and I made a lot of new friends, and there are many talented and smart girls over there, and I can learn like many things from them as well.
So where you when you were in Goa, the time you represented our Karbi, a culture, a tradition. So what was the reaction of people out there, like when they got to know about you, about the place you belong, about your attire and all?
Okay, so most of the people in Goa, they doesn't even know like even this like Karbi culture even exists or not. But like I told them about my district, about my traditional, and they loved our traditional dresses.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. Then Anjali, like since they have learned about your tradition and culture, so then what have you learned about them? Like what have you learned about the people? Like since it's a national pageant, so people will come from several places, so definitely you will get the opportunity to know them very well. So what have you learned from them?
Okay, so that was my first time when I went away like from my district. It was the first time, and many new people, actually I met a lot of new people, and they are so different from us. Like they're not tribals like us, they're all high levels, and like the way they talk, the way they behave, the way they treat us is like really different, and I also learned many things from them.
Okay, yes. That's great. Then Anjali, what is your your future plan? Through modeling you have already shared us, but like in the field of academics, like what are you thinking of doing that?
So I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to do something new in this world. I want to do something different.
Okay, that's great. Then Anjali, like what is beauty pageant according to you? Like to be very honest, like people in several areas they think that modeling and pageantry is not meant for ladies, or it's not good for society. That's what in some places they used to think. But however, there are also the other side of the coin, which they believe that pageantry really helps to uplift the woman. So how will you convince the other people that yes, it's a positive side, like it is good for ladies?
I feel like according to me, beauty pageant is not just about having a beautiful face. It's about your intelligence, it's about your confidence, it's about your ability to make some changes in society. So people should understand that it's not just about having a beautiful face, it's about your courage, it's about how you are. And there is like a lot of difference in modeling and beauty pageant. Modeling is just about being in camera and doing for like a designer, but I feel like beauty pageant is something you should have good heart to win. You should win everyone's heart.
Okay, that's fantastic. Then Anjali, like what was the most toughest moment that you have faced in beauty pageant? Like especially like there are moments like that you feel really happy by like winning the crown, winning the hearts of people, but I believe that there will also be some time that you will feel disheartened or discouraged. Like did you have that?
Yeah, like last time, like just recently, Miss Teen North Fashion Star Icon. So I really tried my best, and I was crowned for like first runner-up. I just lose the crown for just like 1 inch, but like I tried my best. I didn't thought like I'll be the first runner-up, but I guess for this pageant, I was thinking of again doing something better. So I joined this pageant again, like Miss Teen India, and I was thinking like I'm gonna win and I will do it, and I did it. So.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Thank you.
Well, Anjali, can you please tell us that, like, what are your friends say to you? Like, when do you want this title?
So, my friends are really happy and they're really shocking. Like, last time when I won Miss Teen North at the time, so they were like, oh God, like, how did you won? And after winning like national level, they are like all shocked. Like,
Then what is that one message that you want to give to the people who are watching?
The one message that I would love to give is firstly thanks to everyone for supporting me, and also thanks to everyone who supports beauty pageant. I feel that beauty pageant is not just about, as I said, it's not about just having a beautiful face. It's about your heart, it's about your confidence. So if somebody like want to do modeling or beauty pageant, go for it. Don't wait for anyone.
Okay. Then Anjali, if you have a chance to choose money, fame, and power, then what will you choose?
Money, fame, and power.
Yes, among the three.
I think I would choose fame, because if you have fame, you'll get both, I guess.
All right. Then Anjali, what is your basic idea about the society? Like, you know, means like there are some people who still want to change, develop a society, especially beauty pageant, like all the beauty queens, they always say that they want to make a difference in a society. So like, what are your views on it?
What's the question?
My question is that, like, what are your views on society? Because like basically all of the beauty queens and all, they always want to make a difference, a change in the world. So what is your views?
My views are like, actually, we should obviously make some changes in society. It's just not about just winning a crown. We should obviously do something for our culture or our society.
Okay. Then Anjali, are you interested in like shooting, like when you grow older, like shooting a music video or a film or anything?
Yeah, actually I'm interested. I want to try.
Then Anjali, like I wanted to talk so much with you because I want to know so much, and I also believe that the people out there will also love to hear more about you. Then Anjali, can you please tell me that what is success according to you?
Success, this was a question they asked me actually. I feel success is which makes you feel like how you feel like in top of the wall, and success is something I think which I don't think you will get success without happiness. Firstly, you should be happy. You should be happy with what you're doing, your choice, your decisions, I guess.
Okay. Then what is beauty according to you?
Okay, this was also asked. So beauty according to me is not just like, as I said, it's about having a beautiful heart. And beautiful is outside beautiful, that's okay, but if you're beautiful from inside, everyone going to remember you, like as people will not remember what you're wearing or what jewelries you have put on, people will actually remember how you treated them.
Okay, good. Then Anjali, like what are your thoughts about global warming? Since you're all aware of the fact that the nature is suffering, we are suffering, the Mother Earth is suffering, so what are your thoughts?
My thoughts like global warming, actually there are like so many things happening in our societies. So I think each and every one of us should maintain hygienic, and society, like people should, you know, follow what governments are, you know, saying to us, everything.
Okay, wonderful. Then Anjali, like since you're a big fan of her NASCAR Sindhu, even I'm a big fan of her because she have transformed the lives of a lot of people all around the globe. Then Anjali, since you're all aware of the fact that she have, during her reign, she have faced a lot of difficulties, right? Especially body shaming. So what are your thoughts on body shaming?
So like when she won, like after winning, I guess she faced a lot of this kind of things. I don't think it's something which people should make fun of. Everybody has a body, and if you want to get fat or if you want to get slim, it's not according to what people say. It's about you, it's about your choice. Whether you want to get fat, whether you want to get slim, it's according to the girls, according to the women. We should not stop them for like don't eat much or eat much.
Yes, fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, she is Anjali Hasamsa, who is the reigning queen of Miss Teen India that was organized by Spark, which was recently held in Goa. Thank you so much, Anjali, for coming here. And thank you so much, dear viewers, for watching our channel. Anjali, we wish you best of luck from our channel. May you blossom more. Thank you so much. Card down.